Hey guys, I have a new exciting WSO ready for you. It's called 10 Amazing 3D QR Code Templates. So you can start cranking out these 3D QR codes in under 10 minutes flat. In the previous course, we went over some basics of the design, but this is going to be a more advanced, more robust course with some specific designs. Now, as I mentioned in the first WSO, everyone can make QR codes now. That means your clients will be making a ton of these from different websites. Some of my favorites are Kareem Erkin, and I have to ask him if that's how you pronounce his name. Got Deliver.com, QR stuff. It's a bunch more, but anybody can make these basic plain Jane QR codes. The crazy thing is most people are not intrigued to scan these plain Jane QR codes. So businesses are trying to color the codes and even add their logos in a desperate attempt to just stand out from the crowd in this new with this new technology. Now consider this. QR codes can be the best tool to get your foot in the door with a prospective client if you use them correctly. And I know a lot of people are going to say, what about mobile websites? What about Google Places, SEO, Facebooks, all of that? Well, the answer is simple with that. It's saturation. All right. There are tons of people building mobile websites. There are tons of websites that let you build your own in a few minutes. Tons of people doing that SEO, Facebook pages, all of that. And these are important services, but you have to ask yourself, what can you offer that your competitors don't? And now, get this, there are only a few companies out there offering custom QR design. All right, I've only come across a handful so far. So, what if you could be one of the first to tap into this nearly untouched niche? All right, well, now you can. Introducing 3D QR Mogul 2.0. All right, it's 35-page step-by-step manual and 14 video tutorials take you from a novice to a pro QR code designer in no time. All right, so what's the big deal about custom QR codes? Well, there are a couple of benefits for you. You'll be the only one in your market selling this. You'll attract more clients to yourself because you'll be selling custom codes, and it'll be a new revenue stream for you. Basic QR codes can be made for free, but the custom QR codes demand a premium. Now, as far as your clients, some benefits for them is they'd be the only one in their market with a custom QR code, and that's going to attract more customers. People are more likely to scan these customized QR codes, and that's going to also increase their brand recognition. So they're going to thank you a bunch for making those. So what kind of designs can you make with this course? It's 34-page manual. It's going to give you 7 QR code designs step by step. And the one thing you must always do to make sure your custom QR codes scan 100% of the time. All right. And the secret to adding logos with ease, and also how to pick the right image file for your client. If you get this right, you'll be okay. If not, you're going to be left with an angry client. All right. Now, what about the videos? There are 14 video tutorials, and these are going to show you 10 QR code designs. 7 will be from the training manual, and then there'll be 3 bonus designs only contained in the videos. And there'll be additional tips, adding images using brushes and that sort of thing, and adding advanced design techniques. There are 4 basic elements of a 3D QR code, and those are covered in the video as well, and some advanced Photoshop design techniques. All right, so here's a preview of some of the codes that are going to be described inside. It's going to be 3D code Tron, all right, ink blot, freckles, night vision, concrete block, spit shine, preschool, melting point. This is only in the video. Pregnant. This is only in the video as well. So these are some different codes where it takes a little extra tutorial to kind of make sure you're using the right settings and that sort of thing. And then my all-time favorite now, the skeleton code. There's no background on this, which is different from most QR codes you see out there, except for those ones used by custom QR code designers. All right. Then in addition, it's going to be additional tips. Like I said, adding images, other images, and adding brushes. You see the Pac-Man image there. You see the skeleton code on a little sample flyer. You see the night vision on some goggles and that sort of thing. Some little pinwheels and that. All those codes are totally scannable, and I'm going to show you how to do those, add those images, and keep those codes scannable. Now, you got 3 options here. You can learn to do this on your own through trial and error like I did. Spend months trying to figure out the complexities of designing QR codes, how to make them design and keep them scanning as well. All right. Number 2, you can hire a custom QR code designer, and you'll spend $100+ each time you need a new QR code design. Or the third option, grab a copy of this course And you'll be cranking out your first custom QR code design today. In a few minutes after completing the first video, you'll be cranking out a custom QR code. All right, you're going to save time and money. I've done all the hard work. You can simply implement my techniques immediately. So when you grab this course, there's 3 options. You can get just the written guide only, $17. There are only 100 available at that price. Originally, I'm going to sell it for $37 at when I release this outside of the forum. Or you can get the video course. It's going to be $77 outside the forum. It's $47 today for Warriors. Only 100 of those available. Now, I do have a special though. For the first 50, there's a combo option. You can purchase the video and the manual. For the first 50 people, you'll get a special combo price. Look at it like this. The basic combo price is going to be $97 when I release this outside the forum. The regular Warrior combo price, for those who don't make it into the first 50, is going to be $64. Now, the first 50 Warriors will get a combo price of only $37. That's less than the video alone. And you'll get the video and the manual. And then after 50 sales, it's going to go up to the Warrior combo price of $64. So what you can expect, 34-page manual will be delivered instantly on a download link. The video course is going to be hosted in a private YouTube channel. So you'll be added to my private access list once your order is confirmed, and you'll receive the links to all 14 private videos, and you must provide me your YouTube ID or the YouTube email that you use. All right, and this is going to allow you to stand out from the crowd. Okay, start making $149 a pop with these killer 3D QR codes. It just takes minutes to make. All right, unlimited free updates for you. This will go fast, so make sure you grab your copy before this is gone.